Hi dear viewers, and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. The check engine light serves to warn the driver that something is wrong with one or more of the car's systems. There are many reasons why this warning light appears. Some of them can be very misleading and can easily cause unnecessary repairs at pretty high costs. To be honest, the check engine light is infamous for this problem. Well, this video will show you some of the most misleading yet simple reasons that we recommend you check first before you go deeper into diagnosis of the car problem. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. A bad gas cap. The first and perhaps most overlooked cause of a check engine light is a faulty gas tank cap. In most cases, the rubber seal on the gas cap stiffens or cracks, and air gets in and out of the gas tank, which can eventually cause a disturbance in the air-fuel mixture. Also, a faulty tightening mechanism on the cap can cause problems. The solution is very easy, just buy a new gas cap. Bad fuel quality. Speaking about gas or fuel, the quality of fuel will also cause the check engine light to appear. Low quality fuel causes issues with the combustion, which can then cause higher emissions in the exhaust fumes, and the check engine light appears because of this. This symptom is very hard to notice, especially if there are no other symptoms of bad fuel quality like misfires or rough idling. One telltale sign of this symptom, although it is not very reliable, is that the check engine light appears intermittently or soon after you've poured the bad fuel. Air leaks. The next reason is air leaks, which are notorious for being very hard to find. The most common reasons for air leaks are loose clamps, cracked hoses, damaged seals, damaged ducts, and the list goes on. The leaks are mostly present on parts of the air intake, but also in the fuel intake system, for instance. Whatever the case is, excess air causes the mentioned disturbance in the air-fuel mixture, and the check engine light appears. Vacuum leaks. When mentioning air leaks, it is a similar situation with vacuum leaks. Cracked hoses and broken plastic connectors are just some of the most common causes of this problem. Depending on the car, one of the biggest hotspots for this problem is the vacuum hose leading to the brake booster. Bad electrical contacts. Finally, a rare but also very often overlooked reason is bad electrical contacts. How do bad electrical contacts trigger the check engine light? Well, for example, you may have a bad contact on an ignition coil. The bad contact will cut off electric supply to the coil, it will not work, and this will then cause a misfire and the check engine light appears. A bad contact on the O2 sensor or MAP sensor, for instance, will do the same. In the end of this video, we must mention that almost all of these reasons can trigger various DTC codes or error codes that in some cases may not have much to do with the actual cause of problems. To simplify, the DTC code you get when you connect the OBD tool will not be the actual solution to the problem. And this is where the main issue is. If you're not careful in these cases and you do not use logic and preferably some experience besides the OBD tool and the DTC code, you may easily be misled. For instance, a simple faulty gas cap or electrical contact can easily lead to losing time and replacing expensive parts that did not need to be replaced at all. So please have this in mind if the check engine light appears, to avoid bigger trouble and unnecessary costs. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.